Take a wooden plank of any desired dimensions, apply many coats of paint to it, let it completely dry, trace any design of your interest and outline it with the help of cone. In the making of cones for outlining my design, I have made a mixture of plaster of Paris and a white glue in equal proportions with small proportion of water to make a semi-paste. Be quick while outlining the design as the paste dries faster and it may get solidified inside the cone itself. Apply white paint all over the outline, covering each part of the plank. One can even add paint in the mixture to get colorful outlines. Lippan art is a traditional artwork of Gujarat and Rajasthan's desert areas. It is a fine art. The word Lippan means to apply. So we use clays or mud to make intricate designs and patterns, and to depict any creative expression, god or motif that provide harmony to households. Apply different colors that suits your design. Now comes the best part, adding mirrors to the work.